Good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. When we were in class a while ago, we talked a lot about some 3D shapes. Do you remember what it takes to be a 3D shape? Is it something I would maybe just come up here and draw on the board? No. If I draw a shape on the board, it's flat. You can't pick it up, you can't touch it, you can't hold it. Those flat shapes are called 2D shapes. 3D shapes are kind of cool. They're shapes just like this. I'm picking up and holding it. It's also a shape that can stand up by itself. It's standing tall. They are 3D shapes because they have dimension. Pretty cool. And that's what the D stands for in 3D. So today we're going to go through and we're going to have like a little scavenger hunt for our 3D shapes. So I've got the ones that we have in the classroom right here. And we're going to go through them one at a time. But Miss Maria and I, we went on a scavenger hunt to find some 3D shapes that you all could maybe find on your own. Maybe if you're in your car driving down the road, look out the window. If you go to the park and play, maybe you can find some at the park. We went to several places in Owensboro, and I'm going to see if you can figure out what the 3D shape is and where we found it. So I'm going to scoot a little bit closer to the board so you can see, because I don't want you to miss anything that I have. All right, so our first 3D shape that I have is right here in this picture somewhere. This picture was taken at Legion Park, and we've taken several field trips to Legion Park, so this is a really close place that you can go and look. So in this picture, can you spot a pyramid? And a pyramid's pretty cool. If you'll notice, the pyramid has triangles on all sides, and they all come together to make a 3D shape called a pyramid. In this picture, do you see a pyramid? That's right. Our pyramid is right here on top of the playground. So when you go to Legion Park or maybe another park, look and see if you can find some of those pyramids on top. Here's one triangle. There's another triangle. And there's more on the back, and they all come together to form a pyramid. Pretty cool. So there's our pyramid. All right, let's keep looking. Let's see what our next shape is. All right. So, can you spot the cylinder? Let me show you what a cylinder is made out of. A circle. It has a circle on both sides, and it comes together as a cylinder so it stands up. So here's our 2D shape, and when you put our 2D shapes together on both sides, we have a cylinder. Do you see a cylinder in this picture? That's right, and this was also taken at a park. This was at Legion Park as well. We were walking on the walking trail, and we found a cylinder trash can. There's the circle, if you can see it, and there's more circles on the bottom. How cool. Miss Nikki did a scavenger hunt in her kitchen last night because I thought, I'm going to see if I can find more cylinders at home. I had something in my cabinet that was shaped like this, and it had raviolis inside. You know what it was? A can of ravioli. So look in your kitchen cabinets to see today if you can find cans. They're shaped like a cylinder. All right, let's keep looking. The next item we found on our scavenger hunt is a... Do you remember what this shape is called? We've played with these shapes in the classroom when we use dice. It's made up of squares, 4 sides that are all the same. We've used dice. We've used our blocks. It is a cube. And this one's kind of cool. Miss Marie actually went to Rural King to get the seeds for you all to plant for our vegetable garden. And she saw this cube. It's a block of salt. And you would put that out for the deer and the animal in the winter. And it's shaped like a cube. So here's a square. There's squares on the side that it's hard to see in a picture. And they keep going all the way around. So there's our cube. What could you find at home that's a cube? I bet there's lots of stuff. Here in the classroom already, I have found our dice and our blocks. Check out and see if you can find a cube at your house. So let's keep our scavenger hunt going. All right. Oh, I sure hope everybody knows what this is. Where did we take a scavenger hunt to? Target. That's right. We love to go to Target. So, at Target, you don't even have to get out of the car and go inside. You can drive by. They have a really cool 3D shape sitting outside. They actually have, I think, 3 of them. It looks like a ball. It's round. What shape is round and has no straight sides? That's right, a circle. A spear is kind of made up of a bunch of circles. So here is our spear. Can you spot the spear in this picture? Round and round and round it goes. That's right here on the ground at Target, they have these red spears. They're like a ball. Maybe get out and check it out today. If your grown-ups think it's too cold to get out and take a drive, find a spear at home. Maybe a ball. I'd love to see what you have. All right. Our field trip's not over yet. This one may be our favorite. I was really wanting to go for some ice cream after school yesterday, but it was so cold, so I didn't get to. What shape is this? If I show you, you're going to get it. What's it look like? A cone. And if you turn it this way, it looks like an ice cream cone. So, of course, I had to check in my cabinets at home, and I had something that was cone-shaped at home. There's my ice cream cone. See if you can find a cone at home. Now, if you go on a field trip today and you go somewhere and you get ice cream on a cone, make sure you get chocolate for Miss Nikki. Deal? So, just a little fun scavenger hunt for our 3D shapes. Check out and see what you can find at home, or again while you're driving in the car, if you go to the park and play. There are 3D shapes everywhere. Take a picture, take a video, send them to me. I can't wait to see what you find on your scavenger hunt. Bye, friends.